with Russia never learning from their mistakes, only repeating it more or less commonly, seen with close troop formation being deployed close to the front line, with Ukraine ensuring anything within 80 km is in high risk if it's high value target, something Russia seems to supply in a continuous loop. With a Ural truck dropping off soldiers, the trees isn't enough to hide them from Ukraine's drone surveillance, sending 182,000 tungsten fragments to take care of the problem, leaving a lot less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.